fast. Hereafter, if my class once I came and started the online class, no permission. Good afternoon, students, online students. So today we are going to continue our revision in continuation of the class which we have conducted yesterday. So it is revision 6 today. Okay. Sorry, revision 7 today, 7th day of revision. So, yes, Abhishek, this is not the healthy way of sitting during COVID. You have to keep your bag in the middle and move to both the sides. Okay. So today the topic which we are going to discuss or learn in today's revision class is of figures of speech, not parts of speech, figures of speech. Okay. What are the four things that we have discussed in figures of speech? Okay. Now, Kalyan, you please tell what are the things that we learned in revision figures of speech. Kalyan will say. Only these two. You remember, recollect and tell me all the four. Okay? Figures of speech. What are the four things that you have learned under figures of speech? You said similes, okay? Then metaphor you said, okay? We learned similes, metaphor, okay? I asked this question in the class. Have you heard it? You heard it. The full class gave the answer. Have you heard that answer? Have you heard that answer? Yes. Then you don't remember. When I asked the question and the children were giving the answer, you were very busy searching something. That's why I asked you the question. Now you see what is the condition. Navya? Avantika?
Similes, metaphor, personification, and alliteration.
Personification and alliteration. Online students, what are the four things which we learned under the title Figures of Speech? You can type the answer in your chat box. And alliterations. Okay. So we discussed about similes. Online students are not typing the answer. What is the fourth one? Rashi and Bhumi. These two kids are typing and Kaushik Gore. Kaushik, last spelling is wrong. Okay, Lavanya Pitrika, that's correct. So it is similes, metaphors, personifications and alliterations. Okay. What is the meaning of simile or how can you identify simile? So the question goes to Abhishek. You two play nicely. Okay, Abhishek and Sarthar. Abhishek, what is simile? Very nice. Next.
Simile is equal from as and like.
Simply we can identify with us and us or with, by saying like. And what is simile? सिमिली में हम क्या करते हैं? Yeah, we use us and like. But what is simile? सिमिली किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? किसके लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं? सार्थक, हाँ, yes. सार्थक, yes. Correct. Set two. हाँ, two.
Simply in the comparison and we identify it as and like.
Similes are, you are telling the same, but you are not getting the words. I understood. Sit down, both of you. So similes are comparisons. Simile, those who are doing something else. The question will come to them. No need of grammar textbook on the table. I should not see. I always say in revision class, only one notebook, nothing else on the table. Nothing else is needed because I am not teaching you from the grammar book. You haven't seen that I am not teaching from the grammar textbook. That is for your reference. You keep it with you. And now we know that similes are comparisons to compare the quality of two things. Okay, and we use like or as to compare the qualities of these particular things. Okay, so if you see simile in a sentence, you should be able to identify, underline, and write that this is simile. Okay. Next comes metaphor. What is metaphor? Lavanya.
Metaphor is also a comparison,
Yeah.
but
Perfect.
there is no as or like in the
Okay.
sentence.
Okay. Metaphor is comparison, but there itself we can add metaphor is direct comparison without using like or us. Okay. Yes, why your hand is up?
Ma'am, I visited another place because my mother took the phone when she
Come. Say.
Mom, I didn't get the TV because my mother took new phone.
Your mother
Took new phone.
new phone.
And when she updated the data in that new phone, the WhatsApp messages are showing from 29 September 2021. So I asked Akuti and Yuvika for the quiz, but time is up.
Akuti and Yuvika for
Quiz.
Oh.
Send me the quiz, but the time is up.
time I told you, no, yesterday I have set the time. I told you 7 o'clock, but I have set the time till 10 o'clock. I told you 7, but time was set till 10 o'clock. And yesterday one of the child lied me, telling that, Madam, मैंने भूल गया था 7:15 को मैंने अटेम्प्ट किया है तो टाइम ओवर हो गया था. What you said I can understand. Okay, but what that child said, you see, you can say the things, right? But lying will not work. Right. Go right. Go to your place. Sit. So, if this particular thing, you see, I told one day to Pratyash, if you are smart, we are double smarter than you. Did I say this sentence? Why? Because children think that in using this technology or techniques, they can cheat the teachers very easily. This is not a talk, but I am just telling you. Because in examination, many students they are cheating. They are sitting in some tuition center and writing the things, or somewhere else. I don't know where. Wherever maybe it's a mass copying going on. But how do we know? How do the teacher come to know? Any guess? Teacher को हाथ तो नहीं है. हाँ.
Ma'am, because teachers know the ability of the child.
That's fun, right?
Yes.
No, we can't locate the location. Yes.
Ma'am, you are teaching us not by their logical words.
Yeah, that is the correct thing. We first thing we know the ability. आपको इतना सालों में पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो 30 में 30 कौन स्कोर कर सकता है और 10 में 10 या 12 15 में कौन स्कोर कर सकता है, वी नो, राइट. But you know, when letter writing is given, 5 to 6 children are writing the same letter, or if principal, instead of that all these 5 children are writing dear principal. Okay, and they start the sentence with Ambuja Vidyaniketan is a very famous school. So all are writing the same sentences. There are spelling mistakes only. Okay, so it is, we can understand mass copying is good. I have set the time 10 o'clock for the quizzing, but I have informed you it is 7 because your children you have to do it as soon as you go from school to home. And yesterday I know you people are sitting at a home, right? You had no offline class, right? But the students, those who are in the class, I have to consider them also, give time for them also to complete. That's why I said 7. You understood how the children are speaking or how they are giving the excuses, right? Now, these men, you understood how the children are speaking or how they are giving the excuses, right? Now, these many children, other than 1 and 2, and she said the reason, but next time no excuse, okay? So, other than this, you see, all the other children did quizzing. If I am not at the back of you, how many of you would have attempted it? I told you in the last class when I shared the quizzing, only 27 students did it. So now you tell me, being at the back of you, I am proud. I am happy to be at the back of you because you all did. That's my aim. Whatever the method it may be, I want you to do. Okay? So now, why I say this is, again I will be at the back of you to remind that. So now it is metaphor, direct comparison. Okay? No. These are all figures of speech. Forget about direct indirect speech. Here we are comparing something with the other directly without ask or like. Okay.
Ma'am, you told this is makeup box.
Not metaphors. I never said
Makeup box. Makeup box.
Makeup box.
Yes, these are the makeup box of English language. Right? To beautify English language. Now look at personification. What is personification? Archana, can you share what is personification? Do you remember what is personification? Kamala? You want to say in Hindi? Yes, come on. बताइए. तो उसको हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? पेड़ और पौधा और पत्थर, वो सब को जाने जान नहीं वाला चीजों को अपने जैसे जो अपनी एबिलिटीज और क्वालिटीज होता है वो देना देते हैं, उसको पर्सनैलिटी कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल पत्थर, हमको पता है पत्थर वॉकिंग नहीं कर सकते, तो हमको कहते हैं द पत्थर वॉक टू माय होम व्हेन or the panther, the stone ran into my home when someone did. सोमन ने उसको ठीक किया तो वो रन किया गया. Instead of holding and carrying, run. जैसे जो चीज को हम जीता नहीं है, उसको हम मनुष्य की क्वालिटी से उसको पसंद करते हैं. Even clap from the Archana. She has language problem, but she understood the concept, and she is telling it. She has told me in Hindi. I understood she has language problem only. Otherwise, she has taken the concept. Archana, that's a very good thing. If you are not well versed with English, you understood in your understand it in your mother tongue, mother language. Okay, that is not at all an issue. And compare your mother tongue with basic English. Okay, that's fantastic. All the children can do this. Those who are not good at English, when you are understanding, you understand it in Hindi first or in your mother tongue, Telugu, Malayalam, or Bhojpuri. In that bhasha, in your mother tongue, you understand the concept. तभी तो पढ़ाई हो गया. Then it will be easy for you to change it into English. Okay. Now, next thing is that she said that If we give human qualities or attributions to non-living things, then it is personification. Online students, I hope you are hearing it. Okay, Archana has given the answer for this. Now, alliterations. What is alliteration? Kyamalata, can you say? What is alliteration? Meanwhile, I will be sharing the attendance link with the online students. Alliteration क्या है बेटे? आपको क्या समझ में आया alliteration के बारे? ओम फटफट स्वागा जल्दी बोलना चाहिए. Okay, next one is I hope Priyanka. No, she is Priyanka itself, right? Priyanka, yes. Priyanka, what do you understand about alliteration? Yes, that is correct. Sanjeevani Bhagat, comparing human to human qualities, giving human qualities to non-living things. Yeah, Hridaya Sahara, you are very much correct. I have posted the attendance link. Children, you can just post your attendance. Okay, meanwhile. Okay. Navya, can you say what is alliteration? Yeah.
Comparing
Comparing.
human to human form.
What? Comparing.
Human to human form.
No. Yuvika, I hope you have given the answer for something, right? Swara Bode, what is alliteration? No. Chandani. You know need to make that sound. First of all, you behave properly in the class. Pratha. Okay. So she is telling the thing, but she cannot express it in English. Okay. So that means she is telling if we are starting a word with a A, then we are repeating A. Right. That means I understood. She wanted to say that we are repeating the same sound many times in a sentence. Okay. Same sound words we are using in a sentence, and it is a sound technique which makes the language or that sentence very nice for us to read or hear. Okay, so it is a sound technique. Moreover that it is, I told you samples of it, those are tongue twisters. Yes. It is a type of acha.
Some alliterations are tongue twisters.
Huh?
Some alliterations are tongue twisters, but
Yeah, tongue twisters. You know, most of the tongue twisters, why we cannot say is because they are repeating the sounds. So, that is correct. All the tongue twisters are not alliterations, but most of them are alliterations. Okay. So, children, okay, alliteration starts from the same sound. Okay, you people are using your language. That is I like it. Okay, comparing a non-living thing. See, whatever you understand, it is not the textbook knowledge what we have to carry. It is what we gain or what we understand in our brain. Better you move this side, and Chana cannot see me. You move this side, Kamala, move this side. Yeah. Now you can see, or also Archana can see. You take the textbook this side. Kamala. Yes. Okay. Sanjeevani, you move in between. Priyanka, move in between. Yes. So, what is actually alliteration is, it is a sound technique used in a sentence to make it beautiful. So, I hope this discussion has helped you to recollect what is this, right? Now, I am giving you some practice to solve the sentences. Solve some exercises and identify these particular similes, metaphor and personification in a sentence. Okay. the sentence here is the thirsty flowers beg to me for water. हाँ begging करना है ना मुझे दो so the thirsty flowers but beg to me for water. It may be summer season, so the flowers are the climate is very cold. Okay, Lavansh, can you tell me what is the figure of speech used here? The thirsty flowers beg to me for water. You have to underline it. What should you underline here? You have to underline the figure of speech. Then you have to write the name of the figure of speech. Okay. So what should I underline? Yes. What did he say?
Thirsty.
No. What did he say?
Thirsty.
No. Thirsty is adjective verb. Thirsty is qualifying flowers. The thirsty flowers beg to me for water. You, go.
Flower. Flowers.
Wow. You.
Personification. Flowers beg to me for water.
Flowers beg to me is not needed. Beg to. Okay. Just you can underline beg to and then what kind of figures of speech is it? Who said that? When I am asking, you will not say the answer. At that time, talking. Number 2. You sit up. Now the next question is for you. My dog behaved like a stranger. My dog behaved like a stranger. Yes. What should I underline? What should I underline? Behaved like. Partially correct. It should be like a stranger. Okay. And what kind of figure of speech is it? Sit down. Yeah. Simile. It is simile. Now, question number 3. See, if there are two words nearby using the same sound of the word, then also it is alliteration. It is not compulsory. Every word of that sentence should be of the same sound.
What is the meaning of
Seagull means it's a bird. It's a kind of bird. 8 seconds, you write this and come. Okay. Now the question goes to Siddhartha Mahato. Siddhartha, what should I underline here? What should I underline? Very nice. Ankit, what should I underline here? We will say. Ah. Ah. Silly. Ah. Seagulls. Seagulls. Ah. 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 Last word. Are you having problem in reading it? Yes? Come here. If you respond fast, we can do more exercise. But if you don't read properly or don't give the answer now, then it's a wastage of time.
She comes sit on a seesaw.
Yes, correct. But here you will be underlining this. No, you have to underline the repeated sound letter. Okay, all of you. Okay. What you need to do is you have to rewrite this in the examination. What will you do? You will rewrite the full sentence. समझ में आया आपको? You have to write the full sentence. नीचे. In the exam, you will be underlining this. In the question, what is the question? Underline the figure of speech. Pratyash, underline the figure of speech. So you will be writing the same sentence and you will be underlining this particular letters only. Okay. Sai Shivakrishna Bodhakunda. What is the figure of speech I have used here? Alliteration. Online students. Okay, good. Tanushka Boya, you have joined now, right? Just before 10 minutes of the class. No attendance link. I have already posted it. This is why I am posting the attendance link here. Now, the next example is whenever I face a problem, my brother supports me like a mountain. You can see that. You cannot see. Okay. Now, yeah, if you stand now, then she cannot see. You adjust your space this side, Bhavya. Now, Shivarna, this is your chance. Supports. What is the spelling?
SUEEOR.
Like a mountain. Good. Next child. What is this figure of speech? What's his name? Next child, my dear. You only. What is the figure of speech? Shivatna said, like a mountain is the figure of speech here. Okay, he is correct. What is like a mountain? What figure of speech? Shivatna, what figure of speech is this? Simile. Who said?
He told me and he said.
You stand up. First of all. Go back. It is simile. Hello. Doing this, you are spoiling his study. You are not allowing him to think. Online students post the answers. I am checking how many students are posting the answer, how many are sitting silently. Okay. What is that? Yes, ma'am. Tanushka, you type the answer. My sister is a zombie when she works. Right? Sometimes among siblings there used to be quarrel, and you may call, hey, you are this, you are that. Right? That is metaphor. Whenever you,
You want to also answer. Yes, ma'am. What the answer?
huh? Please keep quiet. Yes. Fourth one. This one. Whenever I face a problem, my brother supports me like a mountain.
There is light, so that is simile.
Yeah.
But there is mountain also supports like a mountain.
Like a mountain. What am I comparing my brother? What is the problem with the mountain? I am comparing my brother with the mountain. If we are comparing two things and using us or like in the sentence for comparison, then it is simile. Is it clear? Now I am comparing with the help of this like here. So Prakash, I am using like here to compare my brother with the mountain. That's why it is simile. Here I am not using like. I am not look. Prakash. Here I am not using like. I am not using us. So you have to understand what is this. Okay. Now chances of true or valid. Yes, true. Huh? This is metaphor. Okay. What words should I underline? My, huh? Is a zombie. Correct. So I should underline a zombie and it is metaphor. Why? Why it is a metaphor? Here also comparison only. And I am comparing my sister to zombie. I am comparing two things. But
But that
there is no like or there is no us. That's why it's a metaphor. This is the only way to identify metaphor and simile. Otherwise, it is confusing. Metaphor and simile both are comparing two things. Okay? And only way to identify and differentiate simile from metaphor is we use like or us. Here we directly compare. Okay? My bangles giggled when I bangles. Sorry. Thank you. My bangles giggled when I took it out from the cupboard or from the box. My bangles giggled when I took it out from the box. आपकी मम्मी वगैरह बैंगल पहनने के लिए निकालती होगी, कभी आपने आवाज सुना है उसका? बैंगल्स का आवाज सुना है? Oh, that's it. So I am comparing it here. Andra, Rajesh, what should I underline here? My bangles giggled when I took it out from the box. What should I underline? Who is telling? You also go. That's it. Giggled. Okay. What giggled you have to say? What giggled? Look at the sentence. Say what giggled. Yes. It's enough time to get it. What giggled means you can see, then you have to open your mouth and read it. Read again. Louder. Yes, that's it. Cannot time ले रहे हो. Bangles giggled. Children, yes, here children are writing the answer. Better, Lisha, if you write bangles alone, this is wrong answer. Bangles giggled. आपको नाउन जो भी है जिसको हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं उसको लिखना है, एक्शन को अंडरलाइन करना है. Bangles giggled. So what kind of figure of speech is it? Personification. It is personification. Very good. What is personification? Personification is comparing the quality of one with the non-human things, non-animated things. Okay. Giggle का मतलब क्या है पता है आपको? हंसना कैसा? हाँ, मुझसे हंसना कैसा हंसना है? आपको जब गुदगुदी होता है तो कैसा हंसते हैं? Right? So ऐसा हंसते हैं तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Giggle. Why? Because when we take a bangle, the sound which comes is very sweet, different, not loud voice, right? इसलिए उसको बोलते. What? It's not a cracker. It's a balloon. It's not busted. Someone bust. You two will be getting the chance in the next class. Nityam and Shantanu and Prakash and you two spoke to me something right in the beginning. That's why I left you. Okay, children. Some discussion you two took part. Something. It's not subjective, I think. Yes. When we were discussing. Yes. Go. It's not can, but it's may.